You're thinking of starting your own e-commerce business, and in particular, you want to launch your products on Amazon. You're probably thinking, should I sell on Amazon UAE or should I sell on Amazon.com? Well, lucky for you, in this video, this is exactly the question that I'm gonna be answering. Let me be 100% honest. I'm 100% biased to Amazon.ae. My name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society. And Sellers Society, we've assisted since 2019 over 3,000 sellers on Amazon in the UAE. So yes, I'm biased, but I'm gonna give you the facts and figures in this video. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a clear comparison between different optionalities and everything related to selling on Amazon.ae and .sa as well as Amazon.com. I'm gonna put a score on the side of the screen so that you know who wins for each and every comparison. Are you ready? Let's start with comparison number one, and that's market size or the demand pool. Okay, in UAE and Saudi Arabia, e-commerce has reached 32.3 billion in 2024. That is absolutely huge. But certainly, on Amazon.com and specifically in the US market, the size actually reached 310 billion US dollars in sales in just Q3 of 2025. So yes, Amazon.com wins on raw demand alone compared to Amazon UAE and Saudi Arabia. But the reality is that size doesn't always matter. Competition does. And moving on to comparison number two, you guessed it, competition and ease of winning. Here I'm gonna quote one of my favorite business YouTubers, James Sinclair. In one of his recent videos, James said one of the main cornerstones of a successful business would be to sell products that could be a need and not a want. So think about a dentist. Most people hate dentists, but they need dentists whenever they have a toothache. So dentists, unfortunately, will never, or maybe fortunately if you're a dentist, will never run out of business. And that's the difference between selling on Amazon UAE and KSA, which is comparatively speaking, a growth market compared to Amazon.com. On Amazon UAE and KSA, you face less mature sellers and brands, and there's still demand for basic products which fall under products that solve problems, these need type of products, and you can easily win by simply providing a better looking product with a better looking page. Whereas on Amazon.com, which is a very extremely mature market with a lot of competition, it's not similar. Amazon.com includes a massive seller ecosystem, millions of sellers that are doing millions of dollars in revenue. It's not easy to simply walk in as a new seller and just immediately successfully sell on Amazon. Yes, the US market is Amazon's most competitive market. So in this comparison, even though the demand in the US is very high, but in terms of competition and ease of winning, UAE and KSA win this point. Comparison number three, cash flow, and in specific, how fast you recover your money. For this, we're gonna be using the following timeline: order, delivery, reviews, ranking, and repeat. We call this the flywheel effect. How quickly basically does this flywheel effect work in UAE and KSA versus in the US? So if you are watching this video, chances are you are living here. And if you are living here, even though if you watch videos on this channel, you constantly hear me say, Amazon is a fantastic business because you can manage it from anywhere. But technically speaking, if you're a new seller, there are always advantages for you to start selling from the market where you live, or at least somewhere that's near to you where you understand the culture and so many different things. So in my notes here, I'm gonna let you know that if you live here, you control supply faster, you restock faster, you fix problems faster, which means you have a faster feedback loop. whereas .com in US, distance increases your inventory risk. You need more of a buffer stock, longer planning, and more cash tied up in shipping and storage. So in UAE and KSA, beginners are able to protect their investment. In Amazon.com, it's true that you are able to scale faster, but there's more risk involved. So for this comparison, both markets win. Free PDF. Yes, before I forget, along with this video, you'll find a free PDF guide with more resources. Make sure that you download it in the description box of this video. Comparison number 4, fees. Straight out of the gate, UAE and Saudi Arabia win on this one. Not only are the fees on Amazon itself lower than they are on Amazon.com, but also the ease of doing business in the UAE, taxes in the UAE, corporate tax in the UAE, no personal income tax in the UAE, as well as similarly in Saudi Arabia, make you more profit. I'm not saying more sales, I'm saying more profit when you are selling in these markets. So, very easily, point goes to UAE and Saudi Arabia. So you want to launch your business on Amazon in the Middle East, or you're currently selling on Amazon, but you need further help and support. How about partnering with the Amazon Sellers Society? Since 2019, we've been supporting sellers on Amazon in the Middle East. We'd love the opportunity to help and support you on your journey. All you need to do is to reach out to us on our website, check out our programs, apply, and the team will get back to you. Comparison number 5, customer expectations. Now, if you live here or in Saudi Arabia, or if you visit the UAE, you know people here aren't easy to please. People like luxury products at a nice price tag. But with that being said, we're talking about Amazon as a platform itself and what customers expect. Because Amazon UAE and Saudi Arabia are still newer marketplaces, it's easy to get away with, unfortunately, average looking product pages. Just clean looking images, a few reviews, nice wording, and a good price are more than enough. But when you're talking about a marketplace, again, with millions of sellers and so many products that customers have endless choices, no, you need to be brand registered. The images need to be 100/10. You need to have multiple videos. You need to have image reviews. You need to have video reviews. So many different things, including hundreds of reviews in order to be able to compete with existing sellers. Point goes to UAE and Saudi Arabia. Okay, so I started off the video with a clear promise that I want to try to be as objective as possible, and I hope I made it a little bit clearer for you. But let me give you a quick summary. So, choose UAE and Saudi Arabia as the first market to sell in if you want faster product testing and faster fixes, if you want lower logistic complexity and tighter supply chain control, and if you want to build bulletproof with smaller risk before you start scaling. Choose Amazon.com if number 1, you have a clear differentiator for your products. You need to be selling an innovation and not just a generic product. Number 2, you can fund inventory for longer and you can survive competition, meaning you have a good budget. And number 3, you're willing to invest in higher creative quality and in specific workflows and systems that can help you scale. Now, I'd like to definitely hear your thoughts. Leave your comments and questions in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.